Hello, friends. This is Ajay Arora, CEO of Datacom Web Technologies, the company which has brought to you the magic software for all your life insurance needs. So, I hope you all are doing well and you're taking care of yourself and your family. So, friends, we are in a very extraordinary situation. All of you are aware about the situation. I need not go into the depth of what is happening with the global economy and what is happening with the economy in India and all that. I think there's an overdose of all this information, but we know that it has impacted lives of millions and billions of them, and personal life as well as professional and business, and even you as with others is facing a lot of challenge in doing your new business, in servicing your customers. So in the view of this, we were thinking about how we can help you in managing several of your service aspects more easily. And hence, we have come out with a very exciting new feature in our two most popular software, Visual Magic Pro and Tab Magic, which are being used by tens of thousands of agents across the country. So friends, one of the most important thing that is there in your servicing need is reminding the customers about their premium and collecting the premium, depositing with the LIC branch and issuing the receipt and getting this receipt delivered to the customer. Now, that is the traditional method in which we have been doing business for a number of years. We used to send reminders to the customer, and customer would make a check. Your person would go and collect that check, and then you would deposit that in the branch. And accordingly, the branch would issue the receipt, and your person would go back and give that receipt back to the customer. So this is what we have been doing. But in the times that we are in today, these kind of things are not possible. So we are seeing that there has been a lot of change. There has been a lot of change in way people are looking at life, the way in which people have started doing business. Suddenly we have seen that lot many companies who were never used to doing work remotely are working from home. And let me tell you, my friends, this work from home, social distancing, digital, this is going to be there permanently. This is a change that is going to be there for a long period of time, and you as a professional will have to gear up and with kind of a major paradigm shift in the way business is being done and interaction with the customer is being done. So what we have done, as you know, amongst various initiatives that we are taking, the first one that we are rolling out, and we have just made a new version live today of our software Visual Magic Pro and Tab Magic, a feature which is going to help you send online payment link to your customer to make the premium payment online. Traditionally we used to send premium intimation saying that please keep your check ready, and we will collect the check and help you pay the premium. But now we can't say that. We have to get the premium paid through online link, and this is the best time that you have to do this, because customers are also becoming digital savvy. They are consuming technology for various needs, and this is the time when you can actually put this habit also in their lifestyle, that premium can be paid by just clicking a button. That will not only help you in the current situation, but also in a long term you will be able to save your cost of servicing. You won't have to send your person to the customer to go and collect a check. You won't have to send a person to deposit the check. So many things will become beneficial in the long run, and you will basically be able to provide better services to the customer, as well as and make your services more efficient. So let me now show you what are the new things that we have done in Visual Magic Pro and Tab Magic. I will share my screen now and explain to you, how simple it is there to use this feature. I'll just start my screen share, and here you go. We have Visual Magic Pro over here. So this is a new feature that we have released today on 28th of April, 14.0.9. In this, you have to select reports, and in reports, there are premium related reports. I'll take premium outstanding statement. Now, let me just clarify a few things. Premium outstanding statement of Visual Magic Pro is a very versatile report. It is not only to tell you what is outstanding. This report can be used for even premium due as well as premium outstanding. For example, I have got this process FUP dates up to 28/4. and I want to take out a report of premiums due up to 5th of March. Let's say a 1 week ahead. So I'll just change this to, sorry, I made it June. So I'll make it 5th of March, 5th of May. So this is up to 5th of May. My premiums which are going to be falling due in the next 7 days. And also whatever premiums are due and outstanding for the last 6 months, the entire thing will come in the same report. So traditionally, we used to give you this in our earlier version, we had this button of process. You will select these dates and process, and thereafter you will generate a premium due list and also send out intimations. Now, this is a new feature that we have added, send payment links. I will click on this send payment links, and you will see that in a matter of seconds, it will process the data. I have put in some sample data for demonstrating this feature to you. And as you can see, it just took about a few seconds and my data is almost ready. So here it is. This is a list of all my premiums which are due in the next 7 days and which are outstanding for the last 6 months, totally 99 records. Now, here we have provided you two types of communication. One is, an email communication, and second is a very popular WhatsApp communication. Before I get into WhatsApp, let me explain you the email communication. If you click on this email button, it will send out mail to each of these family heads, each of these group heads, informing them about the premiums which are due and providing them with a link where they can go and make the premium payment through credit card, debit card, or net banking. So let us quickly look at how this can work. So you can actually select a particular customer, or you can select all which are due. You can sort this list by clicking on any of these headings. So right now I just say select all, and I'll click on this email intimations. So now what is happening is it is creating intimations for all these customers who have been selected, and it will show me a pop-up. Here comes the pop-up, and it has shown me that these are the 6 customers. Those are the 99 records belong to the 6 families. So one email per family will be sent, and email will be sent to only those whose email ID is there. So if email ID is not there, you will see the checkbox is not there. You can always type the email ID here, and you say, okay, save, and then you can send it to that customer also. So you can send it to all of them in one shot, or if you want to select and send only to a particular customer, you can select this customer and send. So I'm not sending the email now, but I will show you what kind of intimation goes to the customer. So here we have, this is the kind of an intimation that will go to all your customers by mail. Dear Anil Ramkumar, subject your life insurance premiums due, and an introduction paragraph with all the premiums that are due. Here we are also mentioning the premium without late fee and GST, because this is what he will have to enter when he is going to make an online payment. He is not supposed to enter the premium with the GST, without the GST. And thereafter, we are explaining to him the procedure that you can pay this premium by credit card, debit card, or net banking, and that he has to make one payment for each policy. And this is the link, and he has to select renewal premium on that page and enter all this detail and then proceed to make the payment. Okay, so this is the your report, that is, this is the intimation that is being sent by email. Let us quickly go back to our Visual Magic software, and there is another feature over here called copy message. Copy message, in the sense, all this information you can even send using WhatsApp. You can even send using WhatsApp, because WhatsApp is one of the most popular medium today. It's a very, very popular medium for you to send out information to the customer. Today customers may not look at the email, they may not look at SMS, but they will certainly look at WhatsApp. So I have provided this feature called copy message, in the sense that if you have got WhatsApp for web, if you're using WhatsApp for web, I mean WhatsApp which can be used on your laptop, which is connected to the phone number of your mobile WhatsApp, and you can actually use the WhatsApp web to send messages, send and receive messages from browser. So what we can do here is, I can copy this by clicking on this copy message. It has copied, it has compiled a message for an Ajay Agarwal's complete policy, and it has put it in the copy. Now I will go to WhatsApp web, and then I have to search for the customer, that is, let's say, Harshada, and I am going to Harshada and I open a conversation, and here I'm going to paste. So this information is pasted here, and here it is. So we have a complete your message which is compiled and sent to Harshada. Now going back to Visual Magic Pro, so I have sent message for first one. Similarly, second one also I have to copy. I have to go to WhatsApp web, search for a customer, paste it, and then send it. Third customer, copy, go to WhatsApp, search customer, and send it. So this way you will be able to send out messages to each one of your customer. While it is a very good feature that you are able to get a complete message compiled and formatted, and you simply have to search a customer and paste and send it, still it can be probably a bit tiring that for each customer I have to copy, search, paste, and then send. So we have also provided one very, very powerful feature called WhatsApp via Tab Magic. So if you are using our software Tab Magic, then we can provide you with an excellent feature where this entire data, where this entire payment link information can be uploaded to Tab Magic, and Tab Magic can then send out WhatsApp intimations much faster and in a much more richer manner. But remember, this feature is available only if you have got Tab Magic software of Datacom available with you. If you do not have, please get in touch with one of our channel partners who is near you. He will explain to you all the features of Tab Magic. Not only this, Tab Magic is wonderful, very, very powerful software for your entire needs, including your pre-sales and policy services and everything. And he will explain to you how this feature can be used in Tab Magic, and you can buy Tab Magic from him. So I'll now click on WhatsApp via Tab Magic. It is confirming that this data will be uploaded for Tab Magic. Do you want to proceed? You say yes. And now this data, whatever this 99 policies data that we're seeing here, is getting uploaded. We will then switch to Tab Magic. So I have just got Tab Magic remotely, my phone remotely connected here. And here it comes. So you have to get the latest version of Tab Magic and then click on this CRM. Once you click on the CRM, there is this option, send payment link. I have to click on the send payment link. So right now you see there is no data available to be sent, but I have already uploaded. So we can just click on this button to download. It's confirming a payment link file dated 28/04/2020 at 5:30 p.m. is available. Do you want to download this file? I say yes. And this file is getting downloaded. So you saw the downloaded file, the file came within a matter of a fraction of a second. Now, this entire information is available. It can be sorted group wise, or it can be sorted policy holder wise. So let it be group wise for the time being. And for each policy holder, there is one card. Here he has one policy. Here he has multiple policies. Then we have somewhere there are two policies, and so on. Against each of this card, we have provided this WhatsApp icon, and there is this number which is displayed, which can also be edited. In case this customer is not using this number for WhatsApp, you can put another number also. So now let us see what is this powerful feature that we are talking about when it comes to Tab Magic versus VM Pro. Now what we can do is, now here I am saying Naina Agarwal. Naina Agarwal, now this happens to be one number which is already there in my contact book. So I will simply click on this, on the WhatsApp icon, and you see automatically WhatsApp was opened. That Harshada, actually for this demo purpose, I put this number of Harshada. So Harshada's name was searched, automatically the conversation was opened, and now even the information is posted here. Now I just have to click on the send button. I'll just send this. Okay, here it goes. Dear Miss Naina Agarwal, and her entire information about the payment has been sent. So the biggest advantage is I didn't have to search for Naina. I didn't have to search for Harshada. Just by the number, automatically my software detected that he's a contact, and it pasted it, they opened the conversation, pasted this information. All that you have to do is just click on the send button. Now we will go back, and we have come here, correct? Now we will now do one more sending of this Anil Ramkumar Agarwal. Now this number, maybe it is not there in my contact book. Maybe it is not there. So I'm going to click on the WhatsApp icon. Okay, now see, now this number is not saved. This is one of our office staff, but this number is not saved. So even on an unknown number, you can send WhatsApp. You can send WhatsApp. That means normally if you're using WhatsApp and if you want to send it to an unknown number, you have to first save his number in the contact book and then you are able to access. But we have bypassed that and we are able to directly reach out to that number without even the need for the contact. So I'm clicking on this send button and this has now gone to this unknown number also. One more thing I would like you to notice. Now this is two policies were due on the same period. So now we can send one intimation for two policies and also inform them that, you know, who's the tax beneficiary in this particular case, and you know, what is the pay before date, and the instructions are accordingly given. For a single policy, different messages sent. For multiple policy, different messages sent, showing them how to go about sending this, how to go about paying this premium individually. Okay, so as simple as that. You simply select, just tap on this, message will be pasted. You simply send, click on the send, message is sent, come back, tap on this, message will be pasted. Searching, pasting, everything is done automatically. Only thing is you have to click on the send button. So this is one wonderful feature that you can exploit if you are using your Tab Magic also. So friends, this is one first step towards you know, making your life easier about intimating the customer with the payment link and helping them you know, make the premium payment without the need for you to go and collect the check. So I would urge all of you, please take advantage of this version, download it today itself, and you know, start using this feature to intimate your customer and ensure that, you know, none of your policyholders policy gets lapsed or it is not paid in the grace period, even though the grace period has been extended. It is always important that, you know, you make the payment on time. And so this feature will go a long way in helping you on that. So both Visual Magic Pro and Tab Magic both have been equipped with this feature. One last thing before I conclude, I forgot to mention, there is this setting in which I have given you exclude pay before column in the message. If you would have noticed in that message which I just showed you some time back, there was a due date and there was a pay before date. Sometimes you may not want to send that pay before date to the customer, because psychologically many times what happens is, if you send that pay before date also to the customer who says, oh, there is still about 20 days, 30 days for me to pick the payment, why should I make the payment now? You may not want to extend that customer to the last date. So it's up to you. If you want to exclude pay before column, you can simply select this and then the message will not contain the pay before information. So that's also a practical feature that we have provided here. You can use that. So friends, that's about it for from me regarding this feature. I would urge all of you to use this feature. If you are Visual Magic Pro or Tab Magic, any of these applications are out of warranty, please make sure that, you know, you get it updated by getting in touch with our channel partner. If you're still not using Tab Magic or VM Pro, please use that. Trust me, we have been there for so many years. We understand exactly what the pain points and needs of the market are. And in this period, especially, we are doing many more innovations in both these applications. So I'm sure, you know, you will find much more than value for money. If you have still not purchased it, you can go ahead and take this software from one of our one of the channel partner who is closest to you, or you can contact Datacom for that. Thank you very much. Take care, and take care of your family, and also take care of your customers. Thank you. Bye-bye.